Welcome to ICCM Studio Kitchen. My name is Umayman Waid, and today we are preparing pepper garlic chicken. It was originated from a Thai Chinese cuisine. It has a garlicky, buttery, and peppery flavor. Now let's take a look at the ingredients. Here I have taken boneless chicken, onions, capsicum, corn flour, garlic, egg whites, red chili, red chili sauce, green chilies, dark soy sauce, ketchup, corn slurry, salt, light soy sauce, pepper, vinegar, butter, sesame seeds, and ginger garlic paste, and some spring onions. Now let's start with the chicken marination. I'm taking boneless chicken first. I'll be adding light soy sauce, some vinegar, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 2 egg whites, 4 tablespoon corn flour, and a lot of black pepper. Now we mix it properly till it becomes to a runny consistency. Mix it till well incorporated. Now we'll keep this marinade in the fridge for 15 minutes. Now we chop our vegetables into fine dice brunoise cuts. Now we'll heat oil in a non-stick pan for frying. Now we'll take out the chicken from the fridge, and once the oil is heated, then we'll fry it. We'll switch the flame to medium and then we'll start frying the chicken. We will slide each and every chicken piece separately in the oil and fry till it's golden brown. Now we'll be double frying it, so it is better if you remove it at this time. Frying the rest of the chicken pieces. I'm separating the pieces which have stuck together so that it has a crispy texture all around its surface. Now we'll remove these rest of the fritters. And we'll increase the flame to high for a double frying again. We have increased the flame to double fry the chicken to retain the crispiness of the chicken. Once the oil is hot, we'll again put the fritters to fry it again. fry these for 1 or 2 minutes to just retain the pristiness it has. See, now it is golden brown. So we'll remove it in the side and then we'll start preparing the sauce. Now I have taken one more non-stick pan for making the sauce, and then we'll put the chicken in it after the sauce is ready. So here I'm taking oil. Now here's a tip. While frying or making any sauce with butter and oil, first we have to heat the oil, and after the oil is heated, then we have to add the butter, or else the butter will burn. Now here I've taken the oil. Now it is heated and then I'll be adding some butter in it. Once it melts, then I'll be adding garlic in it. Once the butter is melted, we'll be adding garlic in it and fry till it is light brown in color. We have to continuously stir it or else the garlic will burn. Now at this stage, once the garlic is brown, we'll be adding the onions and capsicum and green chili and stir it till it has a crunchy texture. Now once the vegetable is crispy, we'll be adding our sauces. Before that, we'll be adding a little bit of water. Now, I'll add dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Ketchup, 1 tablespoon. Red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon. We'll be adding vinegar at another stage. Now we'll add vinegar in it and stir it properly. Now we'll switch the flame to high and then burn the sauce for a minute. Now we'll be adding our chicken in it and mix it or coat the chicken completely. Now we'll add the white part of spring onions and the rest of the green part we'll be adding it in the plating while plating it. With this you can add sesame seeds, it is optional. Now this dish is done. If you have a watery consistency in your dish, then you can add the corn slurry. But in my dish, it is not necessary because the coating is done properly. Here I have switched the flame off and now we'll do the plating. I'm adding 1 portion of chicken in it. Now I'll add some white sesame seeds on the top of the chicken and garnish it with some spring onions. And here the dish is ready. Now it is time for tasting. It has a crispy, tangy and spicy taste, and it tastes amazing. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to start your culinary journey, you can enroll in IICCM Institute, Pune.